Congratulations on receiving your new credential. Here's how you can use your new digital open badge or certificate from Accredible. You will receive an email that looks like this. Inside, you will see information regarding the award. Click the icon, the button, or copy and paste the link that is featured in the email. By doing so, you will be directed to a web page to view your new credential. This is the credential view, where your certificate or badge is hosted on Accredible's network using the email address your credential was sent to. Here, you have a number of options for managing and utilising your credentials. There are multiple ways to share your credential using Accredible. Above all, you can share the unique URL with anyone, such as employers, admissions officers, or any other kind of stakeholder. You can send an email directly to a stakeholder from Accredible, inviting them to visit your Credential View webpage. Use the social media widgets to create and share a post about your credential, linking directly back to the Credential View webpage. There are two options available for sharing to LinkedIn. You can share a post that will appear in your newsfeed, or you can add the credential to the License and Certification section of your profile. Regardless of whether you share the credential to your newsfeed or your profile, anyone who clicks on it will be taken to the Credential View webpage for verification and to see more information about the achievement. Embed your digital credential into your email signature or into a website or blog to increase the reach and visibility of your achievement. Download a PNG version of your badge onto your computer. The metadata contained in the PNG file can be used to verify the validity of the badge. Download a PDF of your certificate, which you can then print off to have as a hard copy. If your certificate has a QR code, potential stakeholders can scan this to visit your Credential View online for more information about your award. Add further evidence to support your achievement. Evidence items can include assignments and work you've completed, a video summarising what you've learnt, links to projects you've been involved with, and references from colleagues. Evidence items are a fantastic way to give a wider scope of understanding to how your achievement was won and exhibiting the details of what makes your achievement unique to you. If your credential is private, you will need to sign into credential.net in order to view your certificate or badge. Use the email address your credential was sent to in order to view hidden options and all your credentials that are not publicly visible. You have the ability to change the privacy of your credential, as well as request a name change if the name is incorrect. To access these features, you must be logged into credential.net with the same email address your credential is linked to. This will be the email address that your credential was sent to originally. For step-by-step guides on how to use any of the features mentioned in this video, click on the link to our Credential View Toolkit in the video description below. If you have any questions on how to use, share, or manage your credential, you can either search our knowledge base at help.accredible.com or email us at support@accredible.com. Congratulations again on your achievement and good luck!